Chelsea here, your TA lady, coming with you with the latest cryptocurrency news and market recap. So, I hope everybody's having a great day. This is the total to market cap. So this is your altcoin markets, letting you know how it's doing. So you can go to total2 and tradingview.com to look at these charts. And you can see this is in an uptrend. The lower lows are getting higher. The highs are also getting higher. So when you want higher lows, higher highs, that is a sign, okay, this is an uptrend. Everything's getting higher. And on these pullbacks, this is when Bitcoin pulls back. So that's when money then gets flown into Bitcoin, not the altcoins. So those are always good buying opportunities. It's really good to go ahead and check these charts. So right now, the past few days, it's been pretty stagnant here. So we can see that. And let's go ahead and go over to the Bitcoin dominance chart. So that should be typically the correlation of it, the inverse. And this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. So as you see, it's kind of in a downtrend overall, which makes sense if that's in an uptrend. So we did have a pump here. And that was when actually Elon Musk went ahead and added Bitcoin to his profile and caused a little pump action happen. And so now we got to see, okay, that was technically a pump because as you see now, it's averaging back down. And then let's check Bitcoin. So as you see, the Bitcoin dominance is money's flowing out of it. That's why it's going down, which is showing also in the Bitcoin chart here. And this is all on the 6-hour charts. So you can kind of see they are the same. This is that pump on Bitcoin. But right now, Bitcoin's at 33,887. So it is in a falling wedge here, which falling wedges have 68% chance of a breakout. So we'll see if it breaks out or if it retraces all the way back down here. If it does retrace to the bottom of the falling wedge, you're looking at 24,874. But we do have the bullish cross here on the RSI. So let's go ahead and get into some cryptocurrency news to keep you up to date and some charts. And this was just some interesting news because I like to stay up to date with what companies are integrating crypto. To also see if you like to just trade stocks, this could be a good opportunity to kind of keep an eye out on. But IBM, they have been in the cryptocurrency market for a while with building things. So it's just kind of a reassurance that IBM is there. That's a company to kind of keep your eye out, listen to. But this one just says IBM blockchain is is a shell of its former self after revenue misses and job cuts due to obviously the economy and everything that's having an effect right now, unfortunately. But that's something to just keep in mind about IBM. It is there. They have been working in the past on the crypto market. And then all of this Wall Street bets, the GameStop FUD, isn't that about crazy or what? So I don't know if you've heard or not, but the GameStop had a pump group. They pumped it, and unfortunately, all the exchanges, especially Robinhood, I believe E-Trade as well, shut down their trading platform. So your retail traders, day traders could not trade, which is unfortunate. And then the Dogecoin, so that ended up pumping in cryptocurrency because Elon Musk promoted it. He also now is talking way more about Bitcoin and is on Clubhouse. Some of the latest news as well is India. They are trying to go ahead and figure out if they're banning crypto or not. So that's kind of on a discussion as well to keep your eye out on. But to be honest, China went ahead, they banned Bitcoin. Look, it's still around and it's grown all the way from when it was 4,000 up to 33,000. So definitely still more and more companies out there starting to integrate it, and also laws within countries. So one thing that's popping out right now is decentralized exchanges. They have been skyrocketing. They hit record high of 50 billion in January. So Uniswap, which is Uni, that is an all-time high right now. Just a few weeks ago, it was $4. Now it's up to around 10, 12, which I'll go ahead and show you the chart. But that's a good one if you can get in to these decentralized exchanges. I would be looking for an eye out on those to get in on pullbacks, that is. So Uni is one of them. Sushi Swap is another one. So Sushi is a great one to watch. And Grayscale. So Grayscale, they reopened its Ethereum trust. So they have Ethereum on there. They also now have Aave, which is Lens. So AAVA, if you're on the trading. And XRP, it had a crazy pump. So it went all the way up to around 60 cents and came all the way back down to 40 cents, which this is normal in crypto. You have 50% retraces, so you need to be making sure you're taking profits. So one of my strategies is more of long-term holds, if I do like midterm holds to long-term holds, but taking profits. If I have anything that runs up 30, 50%, whatever it is more, definitely lock in profits because you're going to get a pullback. And the pullbacks in crypto are dramatic. You can get 50% pullbacks easily. It's very common. So yeah, that's that Elon Musk did support Bitcoin. And so I'll go ahead and go over some cryptos to keep you up to date. So Hard has a test net coming out February 18th, so be sure to mark on your calendars. Usually there is, an uptrend and then a sell-off before those dates, so be on the lookout. But this is a good technical pattern. So this is a 6-hour chart, but you see it's forming a cup and handle. So the cup handle here, which usually has parabolic moves. So you measure the distance of the cup to here, and that is what you're getting for your targets, which looks about 4842 Satoshis there. So that's one to keep an eye out on Hard. Here's the Hard USD trading pair as well. So as you see, it's got a nice double bottom on the higher time frame, so you can draw that line there, watch for a breakout if it breaks above there. We also have Ocean here. That has a nice double bottom as well. As you see, 2 bottoms. So that's always a good one to be on the lookout. Audio. So audio is starting to go parabolic. You can see this trend here on the chart. It's just continuously higher highs, higher lows. So as you see, it's making this parabolic move. So that's one to just keep on your radar to start watching. The Sushi. So that is the exchange that you definitely want to be watching, just like Uni as well. But it's in an uptrend on the daily chart. So you can go to the lower time frames, always to look for those pullbacks. And we have also another good one is UTK, Anchor. So Anchor ended up 5xing last altcoin season. So I'm just having this one on my radar to just kind of look out. Remember, when things cross this 200 simple moving averages at the 4-hour, they tend to take off dramatically. This is like a magnet. So those are some latest charts, your latest news. And be sure to go ahead, subscribe, like, comment below. Take care, guys.